the will to receive. This is what we're made of. This is our essence. Behind this physical body, if you would strip off all of my skin and my bones and everything, what we would find behind all the personality is that really our essence is a desire to be fulfilled. To succeed at the wisdom of Kabbalah, you need to be one who must know the goal of your life. It starts out with a vague need, and it's not actually you that asks the question, what is the meaning of my life? Meaning, it's not the will to receive. It's not the usual will to receive, which is why it wasn't that throughout your life you were always, every moment asking, what is the meaning of my life? But rather, from above, we call it, you can just say from another planet, from another world, fell into this will to receive that we each have. This desire that comes from beyond this depiction of reality that we're in. And it asks, why am I here? Because it doesn't come from here. It's from another place. It's from the spiritual world. That's everything that we just described, spiritual pleasures. It's an eternal world above time and space. When this desire falls into your heart, it starts demanding from you to not pay so much attention to certain corporeal things and pay a little bit more attention to spiritual things. Rabash ends here. He says, each one has his own measure of necessity, but working in order to bestow, which is the change of intention, that's what bestowal really means, is not within our nature. Because we're created with a will to receive for ourselves. Because obtaining the real pleasures requires being rewarded with adhesion first. What? What is adhesion? It's called equivalence of form, meaning that your aim won't be for all the things that we just talked about. It won't be for a Ferrari. It won't be for health. It won't be for a soulmate. You can get all of that along the way, but that can't be your aim. You see how hard that is? See, you can make all the money you want, but what you're being judged by is your aim, what you really want. Maybe your bank account is filling up with money, but your aim isn't for that. It's for something else, something beyond this world, and that's what you need to change. So you see, it's on the one hand sounds, okay, that's fine, I can do that. And on the other hand, it's like the hardest thing because it's the most real. It's really, if you x-ray into a person's heart, it doesn't matter what they look like they're doing, and they have this correct intention, which can only be sculpted by an upper force that you draw through this special wisdom that Kabbalists built for us. That's what matters.